Assalamu friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of one of the best wireless gaming mouse that you can currently purchase from AliExpress. I will put the link in the description, and this is basically an alternative to Logitech's MX Master 3S, and that one is really expensive compared to this. So I'm going to unbox this and show you all of its features. So here, as you can see, the box. We have specifications on the back. You can pause and read it. So it has 2.4 gigahertz of wireless connectivity. It also has Bluetooth 5.0 and 4.0 as well, and it's rechargeable via a micro USB type C port it has. And the color that I got here, it's in gray color, and the design looks really nice. So let me just quickly cut this. You can also get this in black color. They have two colors available. You can get this in dark gray and black. So here's the packaging. As you can see, we have in the box USB type C cable, which is nice. So I'm gonna compare it with the Logitech MX Master 3S, and let's see how it fares against that mouse. So here's the cable. The length is also good. It's going to cost you around $23, less than $23, depending on the offers that they have currently on AliExpress. So here is the quick start guide. So it's rechargeable mouse that comes with the Bluetooth 5.0 and 4.0. It also comes with a dongle. So let me just put this to the side. So in case if you want to read instructions, you can keep this, but we don't need it actually. So here's the mouse, and it's very lightweight actually, guys, compared to Logitech's one. So it's not cheap looking, but it's honestly very light compared to that one. But the price is also very cheap compared to the Logitech one. And here, as you can see, we have a scroll wheel which is made out of aluminum, and we also get a side scroll wheel as well, which is really nice to see. So here are the buttons, and from the back, as you can see, there is the logo, company's logo, and you get different type of mode that you can switch from Bluetooth to 2.4 gigahertz wireless. Here's the dongle beneath it, so you can easily pair this with your computer if it does not have the Bluetooth. So yeah, overall the design looks really nice. I'm really liking the color and the finish. It looks really nice, and it's not that noisy compared to what you call other mouses, other wireless mouse. And the clicky, I really like the clickiness of this one. So it does not make that much sound. Here you can change the DPI, and here you can change for Windows and Mac as well. On the bottom, as you can see, there is a button. Here are the short buttons, as you can see. We also get a side scroller, which is really nice. The build quality is outstanding for this one. These are made out of aluminum, but it does not have, unfortunately, the infinite scroll that Logitech MX Master original one has. So overall, a really nice looking mouse, guys, in my opinion. So let me know in the comments down below if you are liking the color. I'm really digging the color, especially this gray finish that they had. It's very nice and very comfortable to hold, not that heavy. That does not make it really cheap, but honestly, guys, the build quality is amazing in my opinion. Still not up to the level of original Logitech's mouse, but I'm not complaining actually. In this price range, it is very nice. So let me just quickly grab the Logitech MX Master. So here are the RGB lighting, guys. You can change and switch between colors, but if the device turns off, it is gonna go back to the normal RGB setting, which is really annoying. I wish that they put an option that you can if the device turn off, it's gonna be the same RGB setting that you already put, because it's gonna go back to its original RGB lighting, which is very annoying. So RGB looks quite cheap in my opinion. Let me know in the comments down below if you agree. So here is our MX Master. I know it's really, I've used it for a long time, that's why it's looking like this. So yeah, overall the build quality is really nice on the Logitech's original one, but it is a lot expensive compared to, it is much more expensive compared to the Phylina mouse, whatever you want to call it. I believe it's the Phylina, I believe. So M10, I'm gonna say it M10. So here is the infinite scroll you get on the Logitech one, but we don't get this infinite scrolling in the M10 from Phylina. Here you don't get the infinite scrolling, but that does not make a huge deal in my opinion. So yeah, as you can see, both are looking very similar in terms of design. So let me know in the comments down below if you are liking the design of the M10. And you also get 2 additional buttons. Here, as you can see, you can switch between RGB, but there is no point if it's gonna go back to the normal RGB setting, which comes out of the box. So, and honestly guys, I really don't like the RGB. It's looking very cheap compared to other gaming mouse. You can turn this off as well if you like. So it's gonna save battery life as well. But yeah, if you want to turn this on, so it's up to you. But honestly, if you want to save battery life, just to turn this off. And I really like the static one, but if the mouse shuts off by itself, it's gonna go back to the original, as I'm saying again and again. It's gonna go back to its original RGB setting, which is a rainbow effect. So that is very annoying, that if you set a certain RGB setting, it's not gonna stick to that. So yeah, here are the different colors that you can choose from. So this is the default one, and it's gonna go back to the default one. Whatever you choose is gonna go back to the original one if the mouse turns off. So I don't know why they made these options, but yeah. So overall, I really like the build quality and the design, and I really like the the side buttons that they give us. In this it's a very cheap price compared to the original Logitech's mouse. So let me know in the comments down below if you like this video guys, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Allah Hafiz.